Fantastic. You've seen how you create your ground controls to pre-flight against, and now in this video tutorial, we're going to show you how to create an IDML file out of any of the different file types that you might pre-flight check that are supported in FlightCheck. Quark, InDesign, Illustrator, even PDFs. So let's go check it out. All right, you saw how important the ground controls are in the last video to help you set up what you're going to check against. Now that you've done that, you can start pre-flighting files, dropping them on the start window there onto the application. I'm just going to take 3 different files. I could add an Illustrator here, but I have a Quark file, PDF, and an InDesign file. PDF, the InDesign, and the Quark file. Here we see the Quark file, and in the pre-flight mode, we can see all the problems. In inventory mode, we can get just a list of everything that's used in the file. Now, the way to get IDML out of a Quark file, which can be very handy if you're in a InDesign world with Quark files, you need to share to someone who needs to use something in InDesign or get to your file in InDesign, you need IDML. That'd be very handy. Maybe you want to just include a IDML with your InDesign file as a backup or as a way to share with people in lower versions. Or maybe you'd like to get your PDF as an IDML to open it in InDesign and get all the elements at the layered level, live text, etc. So for instance, this Quark file, if I need to get an IDML out of it, I do have to mention that getting an IDML out of FlightCheck requires one of the other Markz-Line products. So if you have PDF Marks, or QXP Marks, or ID Marks, or Omni Marks, all of them come together with other things included, you can then use this feature, which is very handy. And the way you can set it up automatically is under the Preferences, under Package, click Include IDML and Package. By default, it's set to off. But if you click that on, and it doesn't matter if you have it on or off, you can actually change that here. In the way that you actually get the IDML is you click the Package feature, which in another video will go in deeper in what package is. We collect everything together, and just click here, Include IDML. You get everything together when you hit Package. Off it goes. Now it's opened up QXP Marks, does the conversion, and you don't see QXP marks after that further. It's done with it. And now when you go into your downloads folder here, you actually see it with a red cross saying watch out, and you'll see we have asked for different file formats for all this stuff, including full reports on the file in different formats. And there is the IDML of the file, which is really, really handy to be able to share your InDesign file with Quark Express users, even low-res copies of your images. So that's how you get IDML out of the different files you have pre-flight checked in FlightCheck. You do the same thing with the PDF. You just click Package, IDML, Package. Now it will launch PDF Marks, which we also have automatically. So this is a great way to automatically get your PDFs or Quark files or even InDesign files packaged up, reports, and with the IDML. So you can now open that file in InDesign, and you get not just a PDF, but you actually get the ability to go in there and edit, and the text is live, so you can type whatever you want, etc. So extremely handy. So that's how you get IDML out of the files you just pre-flight checked with FlightCheck 2022. We have a full video up on our YouTube channel called What Are the Markz-Line Applications from Markzware? You can check that out on YouTube. I'll put the link below. But in a nutshell, the Markz-Line applications allow you to take any of the file formats we support and create IDML from them. For instance, if you use InDesign, that would be ID Marks. If you're only pre-flighting PDF, that would be PDF Marks. If you're pre-flighting multiple file formats, check out Omni Marks on Markzware.com.